Welcome back, guys, to Crypto for Light channel, and today I would like to show you a Bitcoin price chart and what's going on now on the market and why I think so we can drop to 27 or 24k. So I make a post yesterday in my Telegram group. If you didn't join yet, I highly recommend you join into my Telegram group so you won't miss my price targets for a long-term and the short-term trades. So why do I think so we will drop maybe so hard? Because just the logic, we got this it's a bit stump, it's clear chart without any drawings. So here, first of all, let's check a long short ratio. Here's a long short ratio, 1 daily time frame, and what we got now, a 43 short position open at percent and 56 long position. So yes, I think we will see one more dump to make a lower low. Here, lower low, but in global, higher low. And for example, let's think logically. We got impulse correction, impulse correction. What have to do manipulator if people bought it here, then some bought it here? They give a time to people use DCA strategy, and if you, for example, bought at 60k, then you bought on 31 and your average price, for example, 40k. So now on 36, it's not scary. It's not scary. So you just a little bit lose your money, you know, and it's not scary. What they make next? They make a pump. You bought it here also. You bought it here, and your average price now it's 50. But anyway, 36 is not scare you, you know? Even if you bought for the big amount of money. So what they have to do now? Then you drop till here, and you bought it once again. So your average price 45, for example. That's why if the big players now start pumping, all these people who accumulate 2 years take a profit. So it's too easy, you know, too easy. They have to make a pump like this one, for example, maybe to 40, maybe to 42, even 45, and then drop it down to 24. And in this area, it's gonna be really scary. Maybe lower to 18. And the people start scared. They can lose it money because we will see a lot of news about Bitcoin going to zero to this area. Of course, it won't happen because market maker, they want to make more money with the crypto. So with a short and long ratio, yes, it's possible to see one more pump here. Here is a daily time frame. Look at this huge wick, this area. Huge wick, we have to come back and close it. Probably we can test this area 38 on 4-hour time frame. We got this imbalance zone here. So we can make a pump from this area like this one. Maybe we will test 40. And today and tomorrow we wait the Federal Reserve meeting when they will talk about the rate. So maybe I don't think so they will increase the rate. I think the big dump we can expect in March. So probably we can drop it now like this one. Some bad news, some fake news, drop it to 41, then make a pump to 46 or even 50, and then drop it down in one case scenario. In the worst case scenario, yes, we now pump to 40, for example, and then drop it to 27. Maybe after 27, pump to once again to 40 and then drop to this area 21. And why I think it can be 21. Let's check on the daily time frame. I will show you two figures, two pattern, what can play. Look, I close this indicator here. First one, it's daily time frame. So look clearly. Let's check this. We got imbalance zone. What do we have to trade? Because we got impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, and this zone still not trade. Here is a green line. This one green line, it's a fundamental price of Bitcoin. The fundamental price now it's around 29K. So then we have to, usually we touch fundamental price, bounce it. Touch fundamental price, probably we have to bounce, but not, we have to go deeper and test this resistance support line, of this global channel. And also look, I will zoom in, the two patterns, what you have to pay attention now. Let's show here so you can see clearly. It's a weekly time frame. So look, this is a left shoulder, hat, right shoulder. And we broke the line of right shoulder. And according to this pattern, we can just imagine we can drop till here. It's a maximum. What we can drop, it's 15K. Yeah, it's hard to believe now, so we can drop to 15K, but yes, it's possible. Yes, it's possible. In a more positive scenario, we can drop around here, around 20. Why do I think it can be 20? Because it's 29, it's fundamental price here, and 20, it's this area. It's 20K. This bottom of this support line of global white channel, what I showed you before, and this will be the top of this area. This is a green ray, what I mentioned here. This is the top of 2017. That's why we can make a move like this one in global. Here, left shoulder, hat, right shoulder, and drop exactly to this area and make a lower low but higher low in global, and anyway higher high in the global. And after this when all hysteria will be on the market, we can climb it up to our target 87 and 124. And why we can go in high to this area, I will show you on another pattern. So look, we can clear all these drawings because we got another pattern. It's a double bottom on the weekly time frame. Look, it was head and shoulder locally, but globally on the weekly time frame, it's amazing pattern what can play. So look, impulse, correction, impulse, correction can drop it with fake out to 25, and then the move like this one, and we're forming the perfect double bottom, one bottom, second bottom. And according to this pattern, what we can expect, the move like this, it's around here. Let's arrange here the price label. It's around here, this area, 106K. Everything should play perfectly. Of course, we can forming this pattern. This can drop in March, then we climbing whole year, almost 2022, whole year climbing to with correction. No, like this one, drop it, climbing here, climb it, and forming double bottom. And around September 22, we make a correction and then massive impulse. And why do I think so? This pattern can play also because on a weekly time frame, really soon we will touch the bottom on RSI. And last time when we touched the bottom on RSI, it was 2 times here in November 18, and in the March 2020 to move like this one and then pump, not in a 1 week pump, but in a 1 year pump, and climbing to 100 and first area 1.61 level by Fib 687 and 2.61 level by Fib it's 123. So this channel, all this drawing still in play, perfectly still in play. So we just sit and wait the confirmation of these two patterns. And also just one case, why do I think though we will start climbing up a little bit in February? Because of Binance reschedule the distribution of crowd loans on Polkadot. They reschedule from 21 January to 16 February. So in February start Olympic Games, the first one, the Polkadot crowd loans distribution. And why do I think so? We will reach this area in around here, around October 2000, maybe 2023, because no, I think we can reach this in December. And why do I think so? We will reach this area because in next year, because the Polkadot auction, all distribution will end exactly in October, in autumn 2023. So you can imagine how big investment the big players invest in potential projects like Akala Network, like Moonbeam, like Astra Network, in Clover. They invest a lot of money and they want to make a profit. So this year they can accumulate this these coins and wait the distribution, and distribution will be in 2023 in autumn. So the autumn, potentially autumn 2023 will be the top of bull run. So now we have to forming this double bottom on a weekly time frame and then make a pump one year. And on a monthly time frame you see probably similar situation. On the monthly time frame we can forming the double bottom. So you can imagine how big this pattern can be. You know, like this one, we can make a fake out to 25 and forming double bottom, and then make a move like this one and pump. So guys, it's a global picture, of course. So about local picture I will make another video and show you why do I think we can drop to 24k 25 really soon. So guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, and see you next time.